Life's all about learning. That's how we, humans, the most intelligent species on the planet, have evolved. Of course, not everyone knows everything, but it doesn't matter because we figured out how to do important things to get us through the day. Hi viewers, and welcome back to Bestie. There are many things that come naturally to us, the daily stuff that seems to be completely normal. But what if we told you that maybe you've been doing these tasks wrong all along? Surprised? Well, keep watching today's video because we'll be telling you about the everyday things you thought you were doing correctly, but have really been doing all wrong. From things like holding the steering wheel, brushing, storing ice cream, wearing earbuds, to grilling. We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Using the bathroom. Have you ever thought you might be going number 2 the wrong way your whole life? According to research, scientists discovered that our human body is made for squatting, not sitting. The modern toilet puts a strain on the colon, and the improper way of sitting results in an improper elimination, while the old method of squatting makes the release of bowel movements easier. It even lowers the risk of hemorrhoids and appendicitis, while the sitting position increases such risks. Have you ever tried squatting instead of sitting when using the bathroom? Let us know in the comments section below. Number 2. Gripping the steering wheel of your car. Chances are you've been driving your car around town while holding the steering wheel incorrectly. While it is true that one should go for the type of steering wheel grip which is convenient and comfortable, it never hurts to take a few safety precautions that'll keep you safe. The most secure way to hold the steering wheel is to keep your hands on both ends of the diametric line. This grip ensures that the airbag will not open into your hands and arms, leaving your head and upper body unprotected. Number 3. The right time for applying deodorant to your body. Many health experts agree that it is actually a mistake to apply deodorant to your body in the morning after your shower. This is because deodorant clogs the sweat pores of your body, and since you sweat a lot more in the morning than at night, the deodorant just washes away. The best time to use deodorant is just before going to bed at night. This is when your skin is a lot drier and the sweat glands don't produce as much sweat. Also, deodorant lasts about 24 hours, meaning that your sweat pores will still be plugged after you shower the following morning. Number 4. Brushing teeth horizontally. One of the most common mistakes that you may be making every day is brushing your teeth horizontally and neglecting to floss. The proper way to brush teeth is to make quick vertical movements of the brush, starting from the gums to the end of the teeth. Also take at least 2 to 3 minutes to brush your teeth fully. Number 5. Taking a very hot bath. Who among us does not crave a relaxing hot bath after a long day at work? Turns out this supposedly pleasurable activity can be really harmful for your body if you're not careful. Excess hot water can cause stress for your heart and veins. Also, taking long hot baths regularly means that your skin is exposed to too much heat treatment and starts showing signs of aging rather quickly. So try not to stay in the tub for more than 20 minutes. It's also advisable to use warm water for your bath if you want to stay in the tub for a longer period of time. Number 6. Storing ice cream. Instead of keeping the ice cream tub as it is in the freezer, put it into a Ziploc plastic bag first. This will prevent the ice cream from getting hard. As a result, it'll become easier for you to scoop it out. Number 7. Charging your phone overnight. Are you in the habit of charging your phone overnight when you get to bed? Well, that's one of the worst things you can do when it comes to your phone's battery. Experts say that charging your phone for that long can make the battery age faster. It's actually ideal to keep your battery between 30 and 50%. Number 8. Peeling a banana. It's surprising that more people don't know this considering how many bananas are eaten each year. But if you're like most people, you open your bananas from the stem. This way you end up mushing it at the top and bruising it. But if you've ever watched a monkey open a banana, they don't pull on the top stem. They actually turn the banana upside down and open it, and you should do the same. Just pinch the bottom end of the banana where the hard bit is, make a quarter turn, and pull back to peel the skin away. It's much easier. This will give you a much more even and easier peel. Number 9. Holding a drink. This whole time, you've probably been holding your drink by its body, which makes sense, right? It's the most comfortable, and that's how you've seen all your friends do it. But surprisingly, that's not the right way to hold a drink. Your hands conduct heat, which affects the temperature of, let's say, the beer. This warms it much quicker than if you were to hold the bottle by the neck, which is what you're really supposed to do. A similar rule exists for holding a glass of wine. It's best to hold the wine by the stem, or the flute as it's officially called. Don't cup the bottom of the wine glass or squeeze the sides of the beer bottle. Warming wine or beer can actually change the flavor. Number 10. Wearing earbuds. Although the world seems to be going wireless, there are still many people who prefer wired earbuds. But guess what? Chances are you've been wearing them incorrectly the whole time, straight into your ears. But actually, that isn't right. The best way to keep earbuds in your ear is to loop them from behind your ear and down so that the part of the cord runs over your ear. This may seem odd at first, but it will stop the cord from being pulled out of your ear when they sway too much or get snagged on something. Number 11. Excessive use of soap while bathing. Our skin has a tendency to become drier as we grow older. Soap, which is an astringent, causes skin cells to contract and aggravates that dryness of the skin. So it's better to use as little soap as possible. The trick is to only apply soap on parts of the body where it's absolutely necessary. For example, skin folds. For the rest of the body, some soapy water is good enough to keep it clean and provide you with that feeling of freshness. Number 12. Hanging trousers on a hanger. When you hang your pants on a hanger, they're bound to get fold marks or lines. These lines can give a rather disheveled look to the whole garment, but you can easily avoid this by using a paper towel tube. All you have to do is make a lengthwise cut in the tube, cover the hanger's rod with it, and seal it with tape. This will enable you to easily roll your trousers off and on the hanger and prevent any fold marks. Number 13. Grilling. Sorry, but you might not be the grill master that you thought you were. Don't preheat the grill, you'll have unevenly cooked meat. Think all spots on the grill are the same? False. You'll want to move your food from high heat to low heat areas at the right time for the best results. Only putting food over direct heat on open flames? You're likely to burn the outside. For this, take advantage of indirect heat spots. Open the lid every few minutes to check your food. You're letting out precious heat and affecting your cook time. Number 14. Eating pizza. There are so many ways to eat pizza, but according to pizza experts, there's only one right way. Just fold the pizza slice into a U shape. This is called the fold hold. This technique will prevent your slice from flopping over. Moreover, it also increases the amount of pizza you can eat in one bite. Number 15. Shampooing every day. If you're shampooing more than a few times a week, you may be stripping away important oils in your hair, called sebum. This can actually make your hair greasier. As sebum is stripped away, it causes oil glands on your scalp to compensate by overproducing more sebum, giving your hair an oily consistency. Apart from making it oily, did you know that washing your hair too much can be very harmful for it in other ways as well? Watch this video titled, "This is what happens when you wash your hair too much," to find out how. Number 16. Cupcakes. People love cupcakes, but sometimes hate how it causes a mess, especially with the frosting on top, making each bite a sweet, sugary nightmare. The best way to eat a cupcake is to simply cut the bottom cake part in two and put the unfrosted part on top of the topping. This way you'll have a frosting sandwich, easier to control and mess-free. Number 17. Pouring juice from the juice box. For the longest time, we've been pouring juice from cartons from the closest side to the opening, causing a mess every time. The right way to do it is upside down, with the opening to the top instead of the bottom, giving you a longer, cleaner flow without the fuss or mess. Number 18. Nail clipping. You might not realize it, but trimming the corners of your nails is really bad. It can cause ingrown nails, which is not only painful, but can also get infected. Also, don't cut your nails too short, as this can cause pain and inflammation. It's also worth noting that if you share your nail clippers with a partner or family member, sterilize them before use. They could have all sorts of germs on them, including fungi. Rubbing alcohol will do the job nicely. How many of these tasks have you been doing wrong all your life? Will you continue doing it your way or change it up? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.